bodacious boule just came out of the oven, and I'm gonna break all the bread maker rules and cut it hot. Oh, I'm gonna have to. So tonight I'm testing a new soup that just came out of the Instant Pot. Oh my gosh, inspired by a Facebook video that I saw, and I posted in PDL. But that inspiration had a whole lot of cheese and bacon going on.
That's right.
It was a loaded potato soup. Well, guess what? We're having this super creamy loaded potato soup. Done right. That's right. With my broiled trinity here, 1, 2, 3. This is how we do it. It's like dry browning without any supervision. Follow that recipe for the broiled trinity. And if you have a Breville Smart Air Pro, oh my gosh, all you have to do is follow my directions. I have conventional oven directions too, but this step adds so much flavor. Thanks, Jerry. Oh my gosh, yes. So we don't even have to clean up a pan from the stovetop. I don't line this with parchment because nothing sticks on these stainless steel sheet pans. So in, everybody in. Clean as you go. Put that sheet pan in the sink. Get some water on it. And it'll do its thing for me while I enjoy my soup with Jerry. That's some loaded potato soup right there. One more thing to add. You could add green onions or garden chives if you have them. I have a lot of them. I'm drying them now for a winter's worth of chives. You could add these to the individual bowls. Add them straight in. I haven't even tasted this soup. I'm demonstrating this like
it's the best thing since sliced bread.
Yeah, like it's a one and done. Well, we'll see. Jerry said it sure smells amazing in here. Oh my gosh, this soup has got it going on. It's a soup that eats like a meal. I told Jerry tonight is going to be the best soup and bread night of your entire life. So I set myself up. I even wrote the recipe in full detail just in case. Sometimes when I lead myself with unbelievable confidence, it works out.
Good things happen.
Good things happen when we expect great results. This is something that I've experienced over and over.
Expect the best, I'll eat the rest.
Expect the best, I'll eat the rest. Jerry, you're hysterical. I'm so glad I married you. Oh my gosh, he makes life fun. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I have a partner in this healthy living life. Oh my gosh, it makes it so much fun. And keep in mind, Jerry didn't come to me living on kale and green beans and whole wheat bread. Everyone always thinks Jerry was the vegan at the vegan potluck that I met. No, he was there for good food. He didn't care what kind it was.
That is accurate.
Then if we're having a loaded baked potato, you know I've got to have some sour cream on top. You could drizzle this on top or put a dollop. If you mix up your yogurt, stir it with your spoon, you'll get a nice drizzle. But this is good to go for me. I'm good with a dollop, and then I can stir it in with my soup spoon. I'm going to slice up this bread, and look at these salads I made tonight with my garden tomatoes. There's a few different varieties in here, and baby cucumbers, and little drizzle of buttermilk ranch, And rosemary crispies, of course. Oh my gosh, it's a favorite of ours. Get into those rosemary crispies because it's fall. And you've got to fall into the couch with the pumpkin cream pasta.
That's right.
Angela's making that. I saw it on Facebook. Way to go, Angela. So we're going to go and we'll let you know in the comments below if this soup was worthy of a protective diet written recipe for you. Take care.
And best of health, it's time to eat.
Whoop, whoop.
Can't wait.